Hello and welcome to Placerville, right here in the heart of the Mother Lode country. Placerville was started due to the gold rush here in California. In 1856, it was the third largest city in California behind San Francisco and Sacramento. Los Angeles at the time was 15th in California as far as population goes. Today we're going to be checking out one of its historical landmarks, the Placerville Bell Tower. The Placerville Bell Tower. It served a huge purpose in the 1860s here in Placerville. It helped bring the volunteer firefighters to the center and let them know, hey, we have a fire, we need you guys to come on down. The reason they built this tower was very practical. In 1856, 3 fires that year, March, April, and August, destroyed majority of the business section here in Placerville. So the city came together and raised the funds to buy a bell from England, and they brought that bell. They built a tower for it, a wooden tower, in 1865 finally, when it finally reached here, for $380 at the time. Then later they built the metal structure that we now see, which was retrofitted in 1950 because of living in California with earthquakes and everything. So the bell tower now serves as kind of a meeting place here in Placerville. Many of the parades and everything else are centered around the bell tower, and also is seen in several of Thomas Kincaid's pictures, if you like Thomas Kincaid. So there's kind of a nice picture. The bell actually is not the original bell. The original bell is actually up the street just a little bit ways. It is actually being restored right now, and we are unable to actually get a chance to look at it. But the original bell is still here in Placerville, and we hope to see that in the next couple of years. So, thank you.
When I'm stuck in Folsom Prison and time keeps dragging on, but that train keeps a rolling on down to San Antone. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head and cry. There's rich folks eating in a fancy.
Placerville. It was named after the type of mining in the area. Placer mining. It's a type of rock, and they would crush the rock to get placer out of it. Placerville. Not always known as Placerville. Its first name was actually Hangtown in its early days. Although many stories exist on how this name was acquired, the most famous of those involves a colorful event that occurred in January of 1849. A gambler named Jose Lopez gained a lot of attention for his big winnings at a local saloon. After he retired for the evening, several men tried to overpower him. Lopez fought back, and with the help of others, the robbers were captured. During their flogging, 3 of the robbers also were accused of being wanted for murder and robbery. With no more evidence than that, a short 30-minute trial took place, and a unanimous guilty verdict was given. The crowd demanded that the man be sentenced to death by hanging, and the rest was history. The famous hanging tree still exists, but only as a stump in historic downtown Placerville. I'm Hugh Hauser, and this is California's Gold. Today, we're going to be checking out one of my favorite sites here in Placerville, the Bell Tower. I was unable to get anybody for guest speakers, but I was told the history of this thing is very significant. As you can tell, it is a bell with a tower under it. It's very interesting. The bell served as kind of a system to let people know, hey, there's a fire. We need to come. This is like a combination of George Bush and Jewel Housing.